Good morning, everyone. Today we had which group had to present? Building construction. Sorry, again I'm late today. I had to come to university. Okay. So we had this ocean. Group number 1. Masonry. Group number 1. Nongram, Sanen, Pongener, Benison, Gyani Zamatia, Nagaito A. Jimo, Chanhun Lalu. Where are others? Appealing. I knew I will be late today because our bus arrives very late now. So that's why I kept only one group for today. Group number 1, if you're ready with your presentation, you can start sharing your screen. Masonry and construction joints. Green, red. Class. Oh. So where is group number one? Are you group number one is there or not? Otherwise, you will mark absent. 4, roll number 4, 11, 13, 14, 17, 119. In the last week only, you was told that you have to prepare, not, yeah, you have to prepare your this slides. Everybody should be ready with their slides, masonry. Then again, building foundation. Like yesterday, for building foundation, this Rohit Hijam and I think one again has done the presentation. So in that way, you should have been ready now with your PPT. Group number one.
Yes, ma'am, we have finished our presentation.
Hello.
Means we'll share now.
Hello. Start sharing your screen. We are already late. Came by a college bus. Okay. So
Ma'am, is it visible?
yeah, it is visible. You can start.
Okay.
Rotate your screen. Mobile screen.
Good morning, everyone. Our presentation is on masonry and construction joint on group one. First, I would like to call Janil Bhatt to start our presentation. Slide one.
You are which roll number? 4.
Ma'am, my roll number is 14.
14. Gyani Zamatia. So when you're
Yes,
presenting,
ma'am.
when you're presenting, you introduce yourself or you just inform the enrollment number you mentioned there. Okay.
Yes.
14, na? Okay. Continue.
Ma'am, I think roll number 4 is not there.
Hello.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, what?
Roll number 4.
You start. Yeah, we can see your presentation.
Ma'am, first you'll start with roll number 4, then I'll go with second, roll number 11, 13, 14, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3.
Okay. Then this thing. I shall share your screen. I shall share my screen.
Okay, ma'am, you share.
Yeah, where you have given me your presentation.
Ma'am, I'll share in group.
Yeah, you said. Yeah, you can start presenting. Hello, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start. Group number 14 is going to start, right? Gyani Zamatia.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Ma'am, slide 1 will be with 04.
Now, what happened?
Ma'am, I think he's not there.
Hello. Masonry and construction join. This is the first slide, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start. Continue.
Ma'am, first slide, this one, generally best non-crime will speak.
This one. Who is going to present this?
Ma'am, rule number 04.
24. Then what?
0404.
04. What happened to him?
Ma'am, I don't know.
What happened? Shall we wait or what? Is Wakato Achumi is ma'am speaking because I can't hear anything. Hello. So what to do? One of you, I think, needs
Ma'am,
to. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I'll speak then.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Your roll
Masonry and
number?
construction joint. Ma'am, 014.
Okay, okay.
Masonry. What is masonry? Masonry refers to a construction material formed by masonry units. It is used to build masonry wall, which is vertical structure in portion in its length and height. Construction joints occur when two successive placement of concrete meet. They may be designed to permit movement or to transfer load between one column to another column. Second, I would like to call Sanan Common to speak the second slide.
I'll talk about Masonry advantage and disadvantage. Like first of all, I'll go with advantages. The use of materials such as bricks and stones can increase the thermal mass of a building. Masonry is not combustible product. Now I'll go with disadvantage. Extreme weather under certain circumstances can cause degradation of masonry wall. Masonry consists of loose components and has a low tolerance to oscillation as compared. Now, there are three types of construction joints. Number one is expansion joint, number two is contraction joint, and number three is construction joint.
Third, I would like to call Benson Sarmbang to speak the third slide, fourth slide. Benson.
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Benison and my roll number is 13 and I will present on masonry and construction joints. The art of building a structure in stone with any suitable masonry is called stone masonry. There are some types of stone masonry. They are revel masonry and ashlar masonry. The difference between construction joint and expansion joint is that a construction joints occur when there are multiple concrete placement, and expansion joint allow the concrete or steel to expand or control with daily temperature variations. Thank you.
Fourth slide, fifth slide. According to construction joint, the strength of a structure must not be impacted by construction joint. The construction joint should be located within the middle of span, slab, beams, and grinders. Beam is a horizontal member that may be made of stone or brick, and it is located between the two columns. A grinder is a support of beams with small beams that supports the small beams. Masonry walls can be divided into two types. Types of based on their location. There is exterior type locating bear and interior type non-bearing wall. Exterior type are those exposed to their environment on at least one side. It means a wall, a beam that supports outside the joint. No, a beam that is located outside the wall. Interior type non-bearing walls are those in a wall that divides two adjacent rooms that have both exposed to the interior or environment. Thank you. Now I would like to call Nagato Ezumo to speak. Nagato.
Hello. Here I would like to talk about masonry and construction joints on joints. Yeah, masonry joints. Weather joints, mortar joints has slope, downloading edges. Concave joints. Join concave inwards. Ring joints. Mortar joint is flush with the brick's surface. Strap joints. Mortar joint is flush with the brick surface. Strip joints. A medium-large portion of the mortar joint is a safe, permeable joint. Based on the type of the material used in making of expansion joints, it includes rubber expansion joints, fabric expansion joints, metal expansion joints, gimbal expansion joints, and toroidal expansion joints. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I'd like to call Chanhun Lalu to speak the last slide.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Chan Lu, and my roll number is 119. In this slide, I would like to talk about the needs of construction joint and the classification of masonry bricks. Uh, the needs of construction joint to prevent such cracks. Contraction joint must be installed at appropriate interval. It is also then shrink or reduce in size when it start hardening. And the classification of masonry bricks. Number one, first class bricks. In first class bricks, number one, surface and edge are sharp. They are smooth and straight. And number two, well bond and have uniform texture. And the second class bricks, in second class brick, they have number one, these are ground molded bricks. Number two, the quality of this brick are inferior. Number three, the third class brick. In third class brick, number one, the surface are edge and rough. Their surface. Number two, does not create any metallic sound. And the fourth class brick, they are number one, this brick are overbond, and number two, irregular shape and dark color. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
you have not mentioned that this one brick cuttings in the brick masonry, stone masonry, those things like the king closures, queen closures. So those were important things in brick masonry.
Ma'am,
Anyone?
you didn't mention that one.
Huh? Pardon?
No, ma'am.
No, you should have mentioned. Okay,
you cannot-
I'll stop sharing now. We'll discuss some questions, MCQs on this masonry units. Okay. Okay, I'll just check, okay, whether it is working or not. I'll just start a poll now. Okay, so whether you are able to see it and you are able to mark or not, just see, okay. Uh, okay. 2 minutes I will give for answering. I'm opening the poll. Just answer the question. Okay. This is one of the MCQ. It is important. Okay, I have given the MCQ. Just check. Is it visible? The question.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, it is visible. People are answering, I think. Yeah. Just
Ma'am, I
see.
did not get.
Yeah, you see in your right hand side, maybe the polling question is there. One of them has answered.
Yeah, ma'am, I got.
Yeah. How is it visible? The answer is seen or what? Or only the question and the options have come? Hello? Thirty seconds are there. Okay, Hisholi Chung, thank you. 30. Others, they have not answered. 22 members were there, I think. Only 5 have answered. That too, they are correct. You guys say anything, please? I can't. Okay. You have submitted, so okay. 13 out of 21 attendees have responded. Okay. Share with attendees. So I will share. Just check. Okay, those who have answered, just check. Okay, what happened? Yeah, just check. Polling has ended. So, how your in your screen, what is visible? You just inform me. Okay, like correct answer or the poll results. Okay, I'll just share correct answer. Okay. Okay, is it visible to you all? Correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the poll results, is it visible? Poll results.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 3. I think they are wrong maybe. 8 out of 21 you are correct. Yeah, so this is one question. I was just checking, okay. Trying to, because in the next classes I think I will give the questions in this way so that you also have the questions with you. Okay. You have the thing. But now I think I have to again add some new question. New poll I'll start, okay. Do you want to save the poll results? Yes. Poll results 1. Okay. So I'll start another question. One more question will take. Your PPT is over. And I'll be asking about all this stretcher bond, header bonds. Okay, because I think in your PPT you have not mentioned, but these are important from your masonry. In your masonry, this thing, okay, unit. So just let me. I'll share the answer. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then another one question I'll add. Just give me 5 minutes. We'll take some questions together. We'll take. Okay. So the D1, D of This is the first time I'm just trying this pulling. Okay, so from next class it will be directly you will get all the questions. Okay. First class speaker use vertical joints and alternate courses of Captain Plumline. Well, sir, used. Okay. So this one, all of the above. P. I'll share 5 questions. Okay. So just others also try to um, answer the questions. Okay. I'm adding the questions. We have. Okay, we'll just do the 5 questions. I'll give you for this 5 minutes. Will be given 5 minutes. I'm opening the poll. Okay. Yeah. I hope the poll is questions are visible to you. 5 questions are shared on your this one masonry. Okay. Start. It has started. Polling has started. 5 minutes are with you. Now it is 4.4 minutes 30 seconds. You have 20 seconds. I'll share the answers with you at the end of the polling so that you can get to know these are some of the important questions for your MCQ from the topic masonry. Okay, the first question being your as compared to stretcher poles, the thickness of joints in header poles should be more or less or equal to or equal or more. Then the next question is your to obtain good bonding in brick masonry, what you should have. That is your first class bricks are used or vertical joins and alternate courses are kept in plumb line or the bags are used where necessary or all of the above is the answer. Then the third question is your the position of a brick when laid on its side 9 centimeter to 9 centimeter with its frog in its vertical plane with its front it is okay is called your brick on the edge, or it is your brick on end, brick on bed, brick held vertically. Dutch, next is your Dutch bond is a modification of what? This thing we have discussed, the English bond, Flemish bond, Dutch bond. So Dutch bond is a modification of which one? Is a modification of whether English bond, structure bond. Yeah, these are in the poll you can answer. Somebody has answered in the chat box. I'm not able to see. Can we see? Question number 1, any less? Desha, Shimi, Desha, Himi, Shaila. You can answer in the poll. Okay. Till then, I will. Oh, polling has. Yeah, polling is still going on. No? Okay. Till then, I'll share the link. Last 1 minute, just there, 60 seconds. In the chat, I'll share the attendance link in the chat box. Okay. Hoketo Achumi, can you guys hear anything? I think you're muted, Hoketo Achumi. In your laptop, maybe you're mute. That's why maybe you're not able to hear us. Yeah, your syllabus is complete. That's why we are doing the revision in our revision of the previous classes we are doing, and also we are sharing and we are discussing about the MCQs for your this final examination. Okay, because somebody asked, some of you asked that MCQs to share some MCQs. Okay, so that's why it's few MCQs and sharing in the revision class only. 19 seconds, other 17. I think. Okay, polling has ended. So, your individual grades I will share, the correct answer I will share, the poll results also I will share. Okay, just tell me for the question number 1. The answer is less. 15 of you have given the correct answer. Others are wrong. Some 2 of you have given wrong for more. 4 have given equal. 1 have given equal or more. So this thing. I'll just share the this thing. Okay, poll results with you. Just check whether you are able to see or not. Are you able to see your grades and your this thing? 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. you are able to see your grades and the answers, correct answers. I hope you are able to see the correct answers, because I I just can see like this, the who has answered correct answer, how many of them has done this thing. Okay. Do you want me to share some more question? Or you have some class? I think you'll have class now, na? Different class. In the next class, when we are going to present two different topics, on that we'll be uh, doing the polling. I'll keep the polling questions ready. I'll keep the MCQs ready, and then we'll do this polling so that you can know that these are the kind of MCQs which are coming, and then those are the important ones. Okay, a few important questions. So I'll share the. Okay, I'm sharing the attendance link here. Okay, I'm just sharing it. Attendance link is shared in your chat box. Okay, 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 in the WhatsApp group also I'll be sharing the link. Let me check. I'll open the link. Yeah, you can now respond and give your attendance. I'll end the meeting here. Thank you. And meeting for all.